Hello, audience who have been watching our live broadcast interview of EP Shanghai. Good afternoon, everyone. After we had a short break, let's move on to the exhibition booth we have been eagerly anticipating. We have now arrived at MURGE Electric and are very honored to have Mr. Mu, the general manager, as our guest. Could you please introduce yourself first?
Hello everyone, my name is Mu Linson. I am the head of the MURGE Electric under Wang Kong Manufacturing Company Limited. You may call me Mr. Mu. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mu. I know that MURGE Electric is also an old friend of the EP exhibition. When I came last year, MURGE left me a very deep impression. However, many newcomers watching might not be familiar with MURGE Electric. Would you mind beginning with a company introduction for everyone?
Sure. MURGE Electric Company Limited was first established in 2016. Since then, we have been dedicated to the extensive development in the field of medium voltage. We have initiated a product line of inflatable chambers includes the protective cabinet and switch cabinet for inflatable chambers. Our voltage levels cover a full range from 10 kV to 40.5 kV. In the recent years, MURGE Electric is gradually shifting our focus to the field of environmental friendly gases. We hope that in the near future, we can continuously develop new products that combine compactness and intelligence. From the perspective of 2024, MURGE Electric has already delivered more than 30,000 inflatable chamber anti-network cabinets. That's briefly concluded our development and achievement this year. In the past years, there have been a high percentage of load growth.
All right, I would like to specifically point out that perhaps the time is now afternoon, but when I passed by your booth earlier this morning, there were a lot of customers visiting for inquiry. Moreover, this year not only MURGE Electric has brought more of the equipment to our EP exhibition, but I also noticed that the staff you are deploying has increased compared to last year. In the following time, I would like to invite you to guide our live broadcast audience to walk around and see what new technologies you have this year, especially the cutting-edge technology, all right?
All right, everyone please follow me.
One of MURGE's switch cabinets, right?
Yes, the switch cabinet here is the one we launched this year. Oh, sorry, actually, this device should have been released a few years ago. This is our 40.5 kV sulfur hexafluoride gas-insulated switchgear. The breaking capacity of this cabinet reaches 31.5 kA. One thing notable is that the main application scenario would be at the output end of the main station on our transmission and distribution lines. Recently, as the types of voltage keep increasing, the applications in the new energy power generation project's collection lines are also becoming more significant. The features of this product are quite similar to the overall characteristics of our company, MURGE, in which our entire key components are all independently developed, researched, and produced by MURGE Electric. Let me give you some examples of the key components that include our three-position mechanism and the main switch, as well as the mechanism of the segment switch, and the main switch are all solely developed and produced by our research and development team to complement our own system.
Wow, amazing. This inflatable high-pressure switchgear over here, as mentioned by Mr. Mu, is solely developed, produced, and sold by MURGE Electric. In fact, they also combine the whole as one unit. And over here, this one too, right?
For this one...
That seems to be smaller in size.
Yes, the device is also 40.5 kV, but its capacity is slightly smaller than the previous one. It has a rated current of 1250 amperes. Also achieving a starting point of 31.5 kV with 1000 amperes. I would like to specifically point out that our company is now gradually developing our 40 kA project. I believe that once we complete the development this year and in 2025, we will be able to see the upgraded version at the next exhibition.
Great, I'm looking forward to it. Let's come and take a look at this one.
Well, over here you can see our 10 kV unit. In fact, we are currently putting efforts to promote this standardization to align with the development of state grid. In this unit, we have actually defined two current levels, 1250 amperes and 2500 amperes. And here everyone can see our 2500 ampere solution demonstrated today. Buyers will be able to see more in the market due to the state grids updates. Many users have increasing need of capacity size, so we are now developing products with a rated current of 3950 amperes or even 4000 amperes. For now, we are in the midst of a tight development process. We believe that more new products will be launched soon in the coming years. Everyone, please look forward.
All right, let's continue to move forward and take a look at this model. I just looked at this device earlier today and heard a lot of visitors asking about it this afternoon. This model can achieve a fully insulated ring main unit, right? It seems to me that the safety is very strong, isn't it?
That's right.
Please introduce to us.
This model right in front of us is primarily used in the context of new energy power generation, especially in photovoltaic and wind power generation, where its application is becoming increasingly prevalent. It is also a 40.5 kV product. When we compare it to the gas-insulated high-voltage switchgear showcased earlier, it is more suitable for circuits with smaller capacity and lower breaking points to help customers reduce costs and increase efficiency.
Today, I have actually heard many other exhibiting companies mentioning a special terms of cost reduction and efficiency improvement. Perhaps more exhibitors focused on carbon integration and emissions reduction last year, but this year it's more about showcasing a comprehensive solution. In this increasingly competitive environment, I think your company, MURGE Electric, has displayed products which have integrated with very unique ideas, for example, some of your own cutting-edge technology. In the future, what do you think is the development prospect and direction of MURGE?
In terms of our electrical equipment, especially medium voltage transmission and distribution, the core aspect now can be further divided into three aspects. To begin with, the first aspect is environmental protection, how MURGE can replace the sulfur hexafluoride insulation medium that we have historically used before. How can this gaseous insulation medium be updated to a whole new direction of using dry air or nitrogen? Although others may think this seems to be a very simple insulation medium, however, in terms of the design of our entire product, considering it from an insulation as well as a temperature depth perspective, it actually requires our engineers to put in a lot of efforts to achieve such a green effect. The second aspect is intelligence. When it comes to intelligence, whether it is the second integration technology proposed by National Grid, I believe that in the future, we are gradually moving towards it. When holographic perception is in use, this device becomes smarter and more intelligent. It can then predict some of its own faults, including integrating some of our sensing technologies. It can achieve the analysis of various curves, namely standard curve, mechanical property standard curve, and abnormal curve, as well as the measurement of these soft analytical capabilities. How can the capability be integrated, which allow our users and owners to feel more convenient? This mainly concludes the second aspect. As for the third aspect, it is compactness. Compactness refers to whether you can achieve the same performance and functionality with a device of a smaller size. This is particularly relevant for urban areas like where we now are. In places like Shanghai, where every inch of land is precious, the sensitivity to the area of a substation is higher. At the same time, achieving a compact design is crucial. The design of a compact solution also reflects a company's technical capabilities, focusing primarily on these three aspects.
Thank you very much for explaining the three directional aspects. What you said is very on point, and I believe this is your development direction in the future. Let's take a look at the other instruments.
Thank you, host. Next, let me take you to look at another product launched by MURGE's cabinet division. You can see our intelligent temperature module and an intelligent display solution on the bench. Looking closely into each details of this device displayed here. Firstly, the main feature of it is that it comes from our historical use of analog signals. This current transformer displayed on the bench here allows visitors to see that it is replaced with an electronic signal digital browser, which in turn allows it to integrate directly with our display. Apart from this modification, it is equipped with a highly integrated solution. As we see here, it can actually save resources. Here we have used a special design where we make our switch distances more integrated, and hence the usage of non-ferrous copper plates by our customers can be reduced, thereby achieving a cost reduction effect for them, including the enhancement of digital effects. We offer a full range of solutions tailored to different drawer sizes, which belong to a low-pressure product line. The product line is designed for various drawer sizes, and for the different power inputs, MURGE Electric also provide a full range of display solutions for customers to choose from.
That's great. We are approaching the end of our interview today, and to conclude the session, may I ask you one last question? As one of our longtime friends of the Electric Power Exhibition who participate every year, do you have anything to share or a blessing to our event organizers? Or do you have any words for fellow audience who has been supporting us in the live broadcast room?
First of all, I am very grateful to EP Shanghai for providing MURGE Electric and various peers in the electric power industry with such an international platform for communication and exchange. And as mentioned by the host earlier, that yesterday and today's exhibition, our booth is still bustling with many visitors, both old and new customers, from different regions has come to engage with us. I joked with my colleagues that business which take me 2 weeks to complete might be done just in a day at this electric power exhibition because many of our projects are being advanced. We can immediately build a quick connection with clients, both domestic and international. Therefore, I am very grateful that the EP exhibition has provided us with this precious opportunity. Lastly, I wish the exhibition a great success and continue to thrive in the future.
Thank you for your hard work in the past 2 days. We also appreciate our audience's support. See you all at our next live broadcast. Goodbye.